When they see US soldiers on UK soil kind of nonchalantly just ferrying £2,000 bombs around the place to go and drop them in the context of an illegal war, I think a lot of the British public were quite shocked.
Donald Trump is angry at Britain for supposedly not helping enough with his attack on Iran.
I was very surprised with the United Kingdom.
You know, unfortunately, Keir is not Winston Churchill.
Meanwhile, Keir Starmer is claiming Britain isn't involved at all.
We will not be drawn into the wider war.
But deep in the English countryside, there's a fleet of American warplanes that are going to bomb Iran every single day.
The government cannot claim that somehow or other a bomber taking off from RAF Fairford, bombing targets in Iran and returning, is some kind of defensive action. It is nonsense.
So what's really going on? What's the truth about Britain's role in this illegal war? And is Keir Starmer lying?